Short exercise 20-5, calculate cost per unit. So, Clearwater produces premium bottled water. Clearwater purchases artesian water, so not free, stores the water in large tanks, and then runs the water through two processes, filtration and bottling. During February, the filtration process incurred the following costs in processing 150,000 liters. Do the cost data here. And it says Clearwater has no beginning work in process inventory in the filtration department in February and uses the weighted average method. So for requirement 1, it says compute the February conversion costs in the filtration department. Determine the formula, then enter the amounts to compute the February conversion costs in the filtration department. So remember, conversion costs include direct labor plus manufacturing overhead. So that's our formula there. So in this box over here, which one of these is direct labor? So it's going to be this wages of workers operating the filtration equipment, this 25,950. So we can copy and paste that down here for the direct labor. And then what is manufacturing overhead? That's pretty easy. It's the next one down. Manufacturing overhead allocated to filtration, which is this 20,050. So we'll add that in. And then let's grab our calculator to add those together. So that's 25,950 plus 20,050. And that is going to give us 46,000 in conversion costs. So we can go ahead and enter that in. All right, so let's go ahead and check our answer. Good job. All right, so now moving on to requirement 2. The filtration department completely processed 150,000 liters in February. What was the filtration cost per liter? Determine the formula, then enter the amounts to compute the filtration cost per liter. Enter your answer to the nearest cent. And just as a side note, this is very important here. It says they completely processed the 150,000 liters in February. And that's important because if they were only partially completed, then the whole process would be a little bit more difficult to calculate this. So then the way we are going to calculate requirement 2 here is we are going to take the total filtration costs, and then we're going to divide that by the total number of liters. So total filtration costs, it's going to be all three of these. So far we've added these two together to get 46,000, and then we have another $80,000 in water here. So that's going to be 126,000 for the total filtration costs. And then divide this by the total number of liters, and that's given to us here for 150,000. So we can copy paste if it would allow us. Looks like not at the moment. And let's grab our calculator then and take 126,000 divided by 150,000 liters produced in February. So that is going to give us a cost per liter of 84 cents. So we'll put 0.84. So again, that's the cost of 84 cents per liter. So they better be charging something higher than that in order to turn a profit there. So let's go ahead and check answer, and then fantastic.